So guys, sorry guys that I just ended the last video a while ago. I just take a picture a while ago. That's why I just ended the video. So we are now on the way going home. So it is already 4:06 p.m. And what did I say a while ago in the part 1 that we've started? I think it is 2 plus. So I think when we go home, it is that it takes 2 hours and 30 minutes, or at least 2 hours and 10 minutes, something like that. That's good though, that's good exercise though for the body, even though no jogging, just hiking. But that's just walking, I mean, but that's an exercise, form of exercise also. We are now on the rice field, but this rice field that you're seeing this is already a rice field that I'm walking. Actually up here, so the trail must be here, human trail. But now that this rice field was abandoned, then we humans here, we tend to create better, or walk on a better trail, because everything here is trail, because there's no water and it was abandoned. That's why we can pass by the rice field. Comparing on this, if it is not abandoned, it is like this. The rice field must be like that. That's why we only walk on the side this way. So when you don't know how to walk, then you will fall down there or here. So this is where we walk. But comparing on that rice field there that I just passed by, that was abandoned, of course we can walk on the rice field as in, because it was abandoned. There's no rice plants there. So I think that's it. I'll end this video and I add it on the last video that I took a while ago, because that was 8 minutes going 9. So I need 6 minutes to add up on that video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm now going home. Though there's I think there's 1.5 kilometer more. 1.5 kilometer. Yeah. I think 1 point something going straight, flat, then going down, then flat, going down up until to the bridge, then up again. It's the hill until the kindergarten school. Then we'll go down, then that's the house. So guys, thank you for watching this video. For you guys, I hope you are enjoying my video, but I think this is boring. but I hope you've learned something new on my video, the way I take videos, on what I explain or I'm saying, the way I talk. You have also observed and learned, and most of all observe my mistakes, what should I improve, something like that. And of course, according to the when it comes to the camera, then I'm only using my phone, so yeah, I'm only using my phone, so I don't know, but it is alright if you comment down below about the quality of the video. Thank you guys, and I hope you are watching my videos during your free time, or yeah, during your free time. Then I hope you more blessings, more opportunities to come to all of us, more blessings. May God, or may our God, may our own God give us more opportunities. May He guide the right people towards us, and may He guide us to the right people. So thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate you, especially for my loyalist watchers, subscribers. Please comment, share, and thank you guys. I think I need to end this video now because it is already 7:15, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. So I don't need to cut this video and merge it to the last video that I took. I think this is another video and those another videos. I will not merge this. So this is the last part. I just make this as the last part of the video as of today. Sorry guys, I did not take a video in the morning where I went to the garden and clean. I did not realize that because my real plan was to go to the mountain and find a mushroom. So I already went to the church, up to the church, but when I go to the church, I saw a person who is going to the trail where I want to go. So towards to the trail that I want to go and find mushrooms. So of course he's also looking for mushrooms, so he's the first to go on the trail. That's why he will get he will get all the mushrooms just a while ago, and it was proven that a while ago we only got 2 mushrooms because he comes first, and I think he's the one who cut the trees and fence it in that area. That's the first plan, going to the mountain. Then second plan is going to the rice field and clean the rice fields for in preparation for rice seedlings or rice buddings. And another part is another choice of me a while ago was just to sleep. Just to sleep. And the last choice is to go to the garden. So I just chose going to the garden. So we are now on the bridge. So we are now on this bridge. So what we will do is go uphill again. Uphill. It is cemented. So that's it for today, guys. It's already 11 minutes. So thank you, guys, and God bless. Oh, as I'm expecting, as I was saying, my running shoes is not good for the cemented trail and stepping on the stones, because it will slip. 55% it will slip. And of course, when I always use this shoes on my training myself, then my foot will adjust using my shoes. That's why maybe we use different shoes when training and use the new shoes during the event, but that's not a good idea. This is still, you need to break in your shoes. You need to try to train yourself jogging, using your new shoes, in which you will use it on the real event. Then you need to wear it in order for your foot to adjust, because maybe let's say you're wearing the same brand of shoes, same size, same shoes, as in 100% same, but you are using the old shoes, and your foot is already considered as already immune and adjusted in that kind of shoes. So if you wear the new shoes, it has a different effect on your shoes, on your foot. That's why your foot will adjust again. That's why it is better to use the break in your new shoes that you're using, or you plan to use on the race day. We are now on the church, Anglican Church, Saint Gabriel's Mission. So it is now 14 minutes, going 15 minutes, 14 minutes and 42 seconds. So that's all, guys, and God bless. Thank you for your time.